you go? There is fire on the mountain. Where did you go? What happened? The king was at my gate today waiting for you. So where did you go?
So what did you tell him? Eh? What did you tell him? Couldn't you have told him that I went to buy something?
He was asking after you and I told him I have not seen you today. So did I do anything wrong by telling him that I did not see you?
You should have protected me. Don't I give you food when I cook food? You should have protected me.
What did you tell me anything?
Must I tell you everything? I had a little challenge and I was delayed. You should have protected me small. Did you know you don't have sense?
How?
When you didn't see me, you just pretend. Tell him, Madam Ada could just went to buy matches.
What would I have done? You never told me anything.
As my husband, I should tell you everything. You are a get man, dressed like a man. Police will watch you. Look at your shoe. A gaba shoe. Just look at you.
Come out to the shop, come out to the wow. Strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear.
All right, my son. I'll call you.
Which kind girl be this, yo? If not die, you want that to give you die.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What took you so long?
Your Majesty, I went to the market to buy things for the house. I didn't know they had finished.
Who did you tell? Have I not warned you that any time you want to leave this palace, that you should let me know?
Yes.
Don't you know you're like a wife to me here?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It will not happen again. I am so
Just
sorry.
go in there and prepare my breakfast.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Because I'm famished.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I was here earlier looking for you.
Oh, I went to the market to buy some things for the house.
I want to eat noodles. Make it and bring it to my room.
I will. Let me serve your father, then I will attend to you. Oh?
Make it fast. What kept you so long? I'm so hungry.
It's here.
Okay.
Princess.
Oh, yeah.
I want to talk to you. Don't be angry.
Okay.
You know I know it's my responsibility to cook for the royal house. But as a mother, I want to advise you. You know what I can. Try and do small things for yourself. Like these noodles. You can make it. It doesn't take much. You can boil water for yourself. You can make white rice for yourself.
Oh, please! So you expect me, a princess of the royal house, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, it's not what I'm saying.
Let me understand. Is that what you're trying to say?
No. What I'm trying to say is that even my sister's children, they cannot be in that house and expect me to go and cook and serve them. Look at the way you said it. What took you so long? Because they were raised well. They will do this one for themselves. You should have eaten since. No, it's my duty.
Mrs. Adako. Sorry. So what you're trying to say is that I, the princess of the royal house, wasn't raised well.
No, it's not what I mean.
Listen. As far as I'm concerned, you're still a servant in my father's house. The chef in this palace. Let this be the very last time you open your mouth and say things like this to me.
I'm sorry.
Mrs. Adako, I know you see yourself as the mother in this palace. But you're not my mother. You're a servant and a chef in this palace. You will give me food at any time I want it. If I call on you midnight, you serve me. That is your place. And let this be the very last time you open your mouth to utter such rubbish. The next time you try it, you will see the bad side of me. Rubbish.
Princess, you know why I try to say this is because I know most likely you may not marry the prince. You might marry a mechanic. And then because the woman's place is in her husband, I didn't go back now. Shut
up and get out!
I'm sorry. I'm gonna eat it now. I'm gonna eat it.
What? Get out! Get out!
Hey, I'm going now.
What gave this woman such guts?
Just push me out of her room. A big girl like that, she should be boiling water, not moving like that. Princess.
Madam Jess, why are you talking?
Oh, please, leave me alone.
Oh, please. I am hungry. Can I have some food from you?
Okay, Maya, you're the next person. Am I your wife? That I'm chef. Am I your chef? If you're hungry, go to the kitchen and dish food for yourself. Be good, no.
Me? Go to the kitchen?
Me.
Do you want the king to feed my plate to the vulture?
Are you alive before? It's better if he feeds you to the vulture so that he will give you proper flesh. Nonsense. If you're hungry, go to the kitchen. I've had enough for the whole day. For one day, I've had enough. Do you know what that's Princess did to me?
What did she do?
I just advised her. Simple advice. Princess, you're a grown woman now. Learn to cook. If not something, boil water. You can make curry. You can cook noodles for yourself. Wash your clothes. On this wash. No, I'm a princess. You know, she just smashed and closed her door on me. Almost pushed me down. If not that I held myself well, this waist would have broken.
Did she win?
Idiot. If you wanna now open it and show you.
Let me ask you one question. What have you been passing through in this para that you've not been passing through since? Can you feel pass it through?
And I just told you now. The girl wants to make me a perpetual slave. That I'm chef, am I not a human being? I started cooking for her right from when she was a baby till today. Does she want me to cook for her till she enters her husband's house? Yeah, I'm tired. I'm like a mother to her. I'm just trying to teach her small things. That this woman, she's evil. She only took care of herself. She didn't take care of a child that was thrown into her hands. I beg, leave me alone.
What do you expect from her? She's royalty. So whatever she says stands. So manage what you're saying this time. Just give me the food and you can have no
Idiot. You're just a big fool. She's royalty, therefore she can do anything she likes. Is she the only royalty in this kingdom? I don't know other people that even in the neighboring kingdom, don't they have royalty? Don't they have princesses?
Dad, I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
What troubles the beautiful princess of this kingdom?
Is it not the chef you brought in the palace? Telling me that I need to learn how to cook for myself in this palace? Dad!
What do you mean by that? The same woman you're calling a chef is the woman that have been training you since your mommy's demise. You must have to accord her some respect.
I don't understand, Dad. Do you expect me, a princess, royalty, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself when we have palace maid and a chef?
Then why didn't you call the maidens to fix your food for you? Instead of waiting for a woman old enough to be your mother to cook before you eat.
Are you trying to say that what I did was wrong?
No, my princess. What I'm trying to say is, I will caution her. I'll talk to her. Guard!
Finance.
Go and bring the chef here immediately.
Thank you, Father.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
I'll be in my room.
Okay, I'll see you.
The king summons you.
Tell him I'll see him soon. Or you want to brag me?
Everybody in the gear for you.
I'll slap you this way because you go to my drive uniform. I will slap your face.
Just because of ordinary food. You're angry. Please, bring my food. I want to eat though.
Greetings, Your Majesty. You summoned me.
My daughter told me that.
Yes, I spoke to her the way a mother will speak to her child. I told her once in a while she should try and cook her meals. At least she's a woman, it will help her.
You spoke to her just like a mother will speak to her child, by telling her to enter the kitchen and cook her own food.
Yes, Your Majesty, but it doesn't stop her from being the princess of this kingdom. It doesn't remove anything from her.
She is royalty and must be treated as such.
Yes, I know. She's growing. She's a grown woman now. You can't keep treating her as if she's a child.
But not by telling her to enter the kitchen and cook for herself. There are so many maidens in this palace that can cook for her. She's my princess.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Now leave my sight.
I've warned you to stop disturbing my life, Ogini. Stop disturbing my life. You are the one who is disturbing my life by not allowing me to show you how much I love you. I love you so much. Now listen, I can never be your girlfriend. I have my Emmy and my Emeka is enough for me. Okay? Please, who is Emeka? Does his mother manufacture men like me? What can Emeka give to you that I cannot give to you? Man, look at me very well. Look at me. Listen, I am suffering from laryngitis already. Oh, shut up! If I'm to be you, I will back off. Yes, I will back off. I am not going to back off until you give me a chance in your life. No, I won't back off. I love you so much. I can give you anything you want. I can do anything for you. Look at this. What kind of... what is Emeka giving to this girl that I cannot give to her? Even if she likes head, I mean, Isiazu, I cannot give it to her. No problem. I am going to wash.
Fine girl. Thank you.
Come in.
My princess. Please, I'm sorry. I won't advise it. Oh no, no. See, I've closed the mouth like this. I won't say it again. Not for your good too. It's not as if I meant sorry.
You're still talking. Sorry. Shut up. Just get out. Clear this plate.
I won't say it again. I'm sorry.
Take the plate and get out! Come back here. This should be the last time you try that.
I won't say it again. I said it just for your life. It's not as if I meant it.
I said get out. You know your problem, you just talk too much. For a servant.
Mama.
Mama. Mama, what is it? Why is your face like this?
Keyo, what is it now? My beautiful mother, Keyo.
No, it's nothing.
Mama, you should know I know you very well. You can't be alright with your face squeezed like this. Eh?
Just that something happened in the palace today that got me thinking.
What is this that could have possibly happened that got you in this bad mood?
I tried to advise the princess and she started insulting me.
Eh? No, she did what? No, Mama, leave me. Mama, princess do not have the right to insult you. You are not her mate in any way. My brother. Oh, because she's royal blood. That's why she will disrespect my own mother. She have her own mother. Mama, I know where I'm coming down. Oh, I'm here to
No, it hasn't gotten to that. I know what you're capable of doing. Just let her be.
She insulted you.
I don't want you to go to that palace. For my sake, don't go there. Don't go there. You go. Let peace reign. In fact, if you go me, I'm happy now. Can see I'm laughing now. Can see I'm laughing. I'll go me away for.
It's alright, Mama. So bad. I know what to do.
Have you eaten? Okay. Let me go and quickly prepare something for you. Oh? Jim man, what I can make on that side, we say no part. Oh? Let me quickly prepare it.
Is here. Are you suffering from heartbreak? Your medicine is here. Chichi sweet palm wine. Chichi sweet palm wine is here. The special palm wine is now. Someone wanna soy man. My drink is very sweet. My prince.
How are you?
Chichi sweet palm wine is fine, no?
Are you the one selling the palm wine?
Yes, now I'm the one selling the palm wine. My name is Chinagoron, but my company name is Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. All you need is Chichi Sweet Palm Wine, and you begin to sing okay. Because this drink will make your heart to jollificate.
You are indeed a funny girl. Can I taste it?
Yes, you can taste it. Chichi Sweet Palm Wine. Don't say had I know. Special palm wine, Manyandezi. Chichi sweet palm wine. Yori palm wine. My prince, you know say na testing. So
wow. This love.
Oh, Chichi sweet palm wine.
Where did you get it from this village?
Yes, from this village. I have there's one young boy like that. He's my personal tapper. He goes to the bush very early in the morning to tap this thing for me. But you can't get this kind of sweet drink anywhere in this village. I'm a man. Oh, popular demand. Chichi sweet palm wine. Everybody knows.
So how much is the one I drank and the one I'm taking home?
This one, do you want to finish it? If you want to finish it, you can take this one 15 naira. You take it 15 naira because full cup like this is 200, half 100 naira.
All right.
But this one is For home, I don't have takeaway gallon because I just finished selling to Mazinkwo.
No problem.
So it has finished.
Hey.
Eh?
This is 5,000 naira.
Chimo, Inyekwe mint. Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you. I did not expect this. This is too much. Thank you.
And another thing is, I want you to bring it to the palace tomorrow.
I can bring it to the palace now. What else am I looking for if not for a prominent customer like you? Eh? Even if you want me to do webby for you or to even do DHL to America, anywhere in this world, I can send my chichi sweet palm wine.
You did it for me. Alright, I'm expecting you tomorrow.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you, my prince. Thank you. Hey! Thank you. Hey! Will give you your hey! Titi is still around, oh! Come and patronize your girl. What they do for my money? Sweet palm wine.
Welcome, my prince.
Joe, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, my prince.
I wonder what is keeping your brother.
Don't worry, Daddy, we'll be here soon.
Dad, I'm home. Here you go. You're welcome back, son.
Thank you, Father.
How was your trip?
Fine, Dad.
Good.
You can. You're getting fat. What are you eating?
Food.
How's your trip? My trip was fine. Father, how is everything?
We are doing fine. Thank you.
I'm very tired.
I missed you.
I miss you. But you don't call me.
And you don't call me either.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, the food is delicious.
It's nice.
This is lovely.
Thank you, my friends.
Let's have this all water. Water, please.
Just a little. Is anybody enjoying this food like I am?
Yeah.
Is that?
Are you sure?
The food is delicious. I must confess.
Thank you.
Father, Can you believe this? I drank the sweetest palm wine today in this village.
Are you serious?
Yes.
In this our village?
Yes.
And who did you buy it from?
From a lady along the road.
In that case, that same palm wine needs to be supplied to this palace.
Yes, I have told her already.
Good. And don't forget to include my own.
Don't worry yourself, Father.
Brother. Hey, yeah. Brother.
Where did you hear that one? Minister of Information.
Brother, I saw him with my own eyes. Yes.
Okay.
Brother, you know I want to be the queen of this village. I want to be the queen of this kingdom.
So.
Brother, I'm just saying that I want to be the queen. Am I not beautiful? Look at Maya.
So.
Brother,
So.
Brother, did I say anything wrong? I only said I want to be the queen of this village.
Naked. You want to be the queen of this village? You didn't even ask yourself if the prince has beautiful girls in the city. Yeah, you want to be the queen of this village. Haven't you heard about the fact? I even wonder why my mother gave birth to you.
My children, I called you here because I want to know when you people are getting married. I want to carry my grandchildren on because I don't know my time on earth.
Mama, stop talking about your time on earth being over. You will live long. You will eat the fruit of your labor. And as for us getting married, don't worry, we'll do something about it.
Exactly, Mama. We've heard all you've said. Okay? As for me, I'm waiting for Uzoma, my sister, to get married first. So it not be as if I don't have respect.
Mary. If you've seen someone already, you can go ahead and get married.
Are you serious? Fine. I should marry before you?
With my full permission, yes.
Hey!
Is that right?
Yeah. Thank you for your understanding.
Mama, it's okay.
So when am I expecting?
Very soon. Very soon, Mama. Yes, very soon.
You said so. You said so.
Very soon. Don't worry, you carry your grandchildren.
Yeah. I heard that Igbo's son is back this morning. You mean the prince? The prince, man.
Oh, why did you tell me? So that we come and welcome him to the show.
I just heard of it this morning from my sister's daughter.
Your sister's daughter? Is it Chinagoro?
Chinagoro came and no. Let us rush because I don't want Igwe to see us as one of the bad.
Yes.
Igwe, we are happy that your son, the prince, is married.
Yes, Igwe. You now have time to rest for some time because you can delegate some activities to you.
I am not here to kill myself. I am here to rest. See, the stress is too much.
My prince, we know you should rest, but also remember that you need to help your father in activities in the community.
Don't mind him. I will not waste time by showing him where I stopped.
Father, can you allow me to pull on first? Because what you say now will enter his head.
Son, you can take all the time in the world to rest. But when I am ready for you, nothing will stop me. Unless you don't want me to enjoy my life before joining my ancestors.
My son, remember, you need to take over from your father. But most importantly, you should look for a wife.
Son, I agree with him. So start looking for someone with royalty.
Father, can we forget about this royalty of a thing?
You are royalty, so you need a royal blood.
Father, this can we think of?
So my elders, let's help.
Hey,
are you not eating?
I'm not eating, no.
Why?
I'm so excited. Oh, Bina, so worried. Mama, do you know what happened today? The prince of this land drank my palm wine. That is not just the good news, though. He drank wine of, let me say, 50 naira and gave me the sum of 5,000 naira.
Wow.
He didn't end there. He said, henceforth, I will be the one supplying all the palm wine they'll be needing in the palace. So right now you are looking at royal palm wine supplier. I'm telling you, Mama, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Mama?
I don't ever want to see you in that palace.
I don't understand.
I said I don't want to see you set your foot in that palace.
Why?
I said so.
Mama, I don't know why you would say so now. You don't want me to do my palm wine business again. Do you know how much I will make if I supply palm wine to the prince for a whole month?
Can I eat my food in peace?
Mama, no. Mama, no. If there's anything you're hiding, you have to be open. You have to be open. Oh my, hey, call on Kamaro. I don't get it. How can you just wake up and decide I should not take my wine to the palace? My palm wine is only for the poor.
Can you stop this matter?
Mama, no, I will be supplying my palm wine at the palace. So.
Whatever you're doing there, don't ever tell them I'm your mother.
Mama, I don't understand what this is all about. So, Mama, you left up. I'm to Mama in the palace. Now. Thank you so much, oh. This is your money.
But what about the other country? When are you going to start the wine?
Maybe later in the evening.
Please. You know this my palm wine is popular demand.
Trust me.
Once I take this one to Mass, okay now, I will be left with nothing. And you know I have many customers, eh?
Okay.
So I'll be waiting for you.
All right.
Okay,
take care.
All right. Are you going to work?
Chi-chi sweet wine. Chi-chi sweet wine. Chi-chi sweet wine. In on depression, it is sad. Look what we ever.
Please. Hey, my place. Chiba. My place. Chiba.
Look at you. So you came back to this village. You couldn't even ask of me.
You know I can't do such thing.
Okay,
I came back yesterday and I was so tired. So I said today I must come. I was even going to your house before I saw you. Chima.
Hey, Chike.
You are not looking back. You are not looking back. You are not looking back. What do you expect them to do now? You vow not to leave this village now. Peso. Enter the motor, let's go somewhere and chill.
Where are we going?
No, enter the motor now. I will take
you. No, now, what I take now is...
Don't take the one that will push you. Let's go. Enter the car.
Let's go.
In terms of that marriage that Mama said, do you have anybody in mind?
Yes, I do. He's very handsome. Although I'm still trying to see if he has the quality of a... Don't worry. You know that. Don't worry.
Okay. I'm happy for you. Very happy.
So what about you? Ayana, tell me.
I'm still hoping and search, you know.
Don't worry, God will answer your prayer.
He will so come.
Check your page, Biko.
Don't worry, don't make it down.
Make sure you people come back early. Don't go there and be doing chop. If you eat this fish, we need to finish selling it today. Okay?
Shake the fish, okay?
Please, I'm coming, Nana.
No. Alright.
No, I'm hungry and I was looking for food. Yes. What are you doing?
I'm making up for the prince.
Which prince?
Our prince now.
Wait. Is it the prince of this kingdom or the prince of another kingdom? Or the prince of another kingdom?
But I cannot do that. Our own prince now. Prince Ejike.
Prince Ejike?
Yes.
Hey! So wait, you are actually making up this nonsense so that you will seduce the prince of this kingdom? Hey! So you think that the prince of this kingdom, city prince Saibonye city, you don't look at you. Don't you know he has a lot of city girls in the city? You want to I always think something that is possible now.
But there's nothing is not possible in this life. You not to imagine a guy.
Can a barrel pusher build a mansion? Why will you get out of this place? You're going to have a barrel mansion.
But it take me 1 week to learn this makeup. Now you just making everything to get away.
Which one is this one?
No, my girlfriend said it's blush. Blush, that's what they call it.
Wait.
Wow, Papa. Ebe, Papa. Papa dana na ya kuwasia. Wow, Papa. Wow, Papa. Ebe, Papa. Papa dana na ya kuwasia. Wow, Papa. Hey, I can't get that, Maka. Chi sweet wine. Ane bupu ane repo zubo. Ade uwoke. Hey, kitaga. Ebe Papa. Wow, Papa. Papa dana na ya kuasia. Wow, Papa.
I was going to your house because of the incident that happened 2 days ago. Are you asking me? I saw your daughter with a gun and someone's goat.
Oh, that's one. That's been settled.
Really? Well, always advise your daughter to control her temper.
That's right. So I'm running late to work. Let me quickly go to work. Okay. I'll see when I come back.
So I don't know.
Wambede kama, wambede amaka, wambede truly. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. You look wonderful now. I see after wine. Hi, nae. Wambede amaka, wambede amaka, wambede dimma, wambede dimma. I've made sales this evening, no. Kebu like this. Anna. My guy.
Why I not come see you again now?
See, you know this my palm wine is Chi special palm wine. So on my way coming out today, I saw some guys seated under one tree. They just called me Chi sweet palm wine. So immediately I served the first person or Toya differently. Or what the other guy, you know? They all patronized me and my palm wine got finished. I had to quickly call Okonkwo, the person that usually supply my palm wine for me, to bring more. That's why I'm doing one with it. If not, let's go come everything.
Every year good.
Yes. So how much?
Just give me your test first, you understand? I know say your permit they good though, but my just test now. You know how they be now.
I don't understand you, okay? Okay, you started again. Each time you see me, you be asking for test. After testing now, you tell me you have emergency. They are calling you there. I will not take that. Oh, if you know you're not willing to buy my Chichi special sweet palm wine, go.
What I go buy my your test first.
Okay. You test finish, you know buy today. Wahala go dey o.
Make I just test
first.
This one.
Oh yeah, bring your money.
But this one you don't can get you. I don't can understand.
I don't get you. Here no be bear parlor.
Give me 100 naira.
They bring out money. They bring out money. No say this cup now. If I full am na 200 because I'm quadro. I want. That full cup is 200, so half. But I gave you, the one I gave to you is more than half, safe. But because you're my wild customer, I want to treat you. I know you will love it. Is it not Chichi special palm wine? My cuckoo lamb. Let me just keep it. Thank you. I know it must be your father that sent you.
Yes, you have to.
How much? 200, okay. Hey, you've grown, oh. See small girl of yesterday. You're a pretty girl, oh. My regards to your father. Tell him that I'll bring 1 cup of palmy for him tomorrow, free of charge. You know he's my good customer.
Who is there?
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the prince.
How can the prince ask you to come? For what?
Well, he asked me to come.
For what?
Yes, man. Just tell the prince that Chichi sweet palm wine is here to see.
Someone is at the gate looking for you. Who is the person?
The lady.
Let's go. Okay. Let her in. Okay, my prince.
Yes, I'll keep it there.
Keep it here.
Security, I'll keep it there. Greetings. My prince is very fresh and sweet.
Let me taste it.
Chichi sweet wine. Very fresh.
It's fresh indeed.
I told you now. That's why they call me Chichi sweet palm wine. Popular demand. If it's not this palm wine, you're not drinking palm wine.
I see.
So that is it.
Sit.
You see? I didn't hear you.
I said you should sit beside me.
My prince, I don't want to see it.
Why? Am I smelling or what?
No, my prince, it's not like you're smelling.
This is the 1 gallon you asked for. I have to go and sell my palm. Now that you've bought this one now, to supply me more because my customers will be waiting. I have to go. Go.
God.
Yes, my prince.
My son.
Father.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see a friend, Father.
A friend? Does he have a name?
What kind of question is that?
I want to know. Or you go with a guard?
Father, I don't want to go with anyone. It's confidential. I beg to be married, Father.
Prince, wait. I didn't hear you well. What do you say?
The way you're sounding, is there anything wrong with seeing her?
Ha! My prince, everything is wrong. Prince, that is why I'm your PA, special advisor. Let me tell you, that girl don't have atom of respect. That girl will treat you like a commoner. And let me tell you, that girl, she's a fighter. She used to fight everybody around her. No matter that I used to beat her, you know, name and name, you walk. But let me tell you, my prince, that girl, happy that girl for now, it's not your class.
Is that all?
Ha! Prince, it's like you have tested this girl, when you go do something. I'm telling you that this girl is not your class.
Chima, all I want from you is her address. You are not the one going there to see her. I am old enough to know what I want. I am no longer a child.
But my prince, with due respect, my prince, that is why I'm your special advisor in this government house. We are together. I'm your PA.
Special advisor?
Yes, my princess.
Give me her address.
My prince, I don't know. Give me 7 days of quarantine. Let me go and check if I will give you the address, because that girl is not your class. Besides, she's a fighter. She doesn't have respect.
Chima.
I'm here, my prince.
I want her to fight me. Okay? I want to see the fight myself.
The address is not a problem. And she used to shoot gun.
Gone.
And you know you can't fear for Africa.
I want her to shoot me. I want to be shot.
So it's again, prince.
Is it your die? Allow me to die my die.
Oh, my prince, you will die.
Allow me to die my die.
You will die.
Chima, it's not your die. I'm the one going to die, not you. At least you'll be there to bury me. Eh?
Prince, how did you get here? Who showed you my house?
One question at a time. Actually, I came to give you money for your palm wine.
Thank you.
I also want to be your friend.
I'm sorry, I can't make friends with you. Please, you have to start going.
Wait, let me get it. Is it because I asked you to sit with me? That's why you are acting like this?
Prince, listen. You're royalty and I'm nobody. As a matter of fact, I'm daughter of nobody. I do not want to have anything to do with royalty. Biko, I want you to leave, please.
Listen, let me tell you. I've been to so many places. Yes. Mingle with the rich, the average, and the poor. And I treat all equal. Regardless, I'm a prince. Yes, I treat everybody equal. Please, I'm here for peace and not cause trouble.
Please,
I have peace already. It's what we don't achieve. So what I want from you right now is to leave this compound. Biko, leave. I do not want any trouble. Biko.
What is wrong with you?
Prince, is it because I decided to come out without my gun? I can storm in and bring it out. Oh. I don't want to be disrespectful. Biko, go. Don't make me push you. I try to make it violent. Please, I beg you. Get that, Lydia. Thank you.
What kind of a girl is this? She's too difficult. Too pretty to be hard to people.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away.
My prince, I told you that girl is a man in the woman form. Have you seen it? I even told you that she even has a gun. You told me, is it your death? I want to die. Have you seen it now?
Chima, did she shoot me? No. See, let me tell you, girl with that kind of character is the kind of girl we need as a queen in this village.
Objection, my lord. I hate her. She can never be the queen of this village.
Chima, I don't know anything about strong ladies. Yes. So whenever I'm talking, if you don't know what to say, just be calm with your small brain.
Now, because of that, ordinary Muluka or wine seller, I'm now a bad. So why do you stay with me as your special advisor there? To you.
Yes, because when I'm thinking, you'll be thinking me. You understand? We can't have two captains. Since I'm a captain, I can't employ another captain to be in my office. You understand? So when I'm high, since your brain is too small, you are low. When you combine the both of them, it's a balance.
Yes, so why, since you know that I'm low, why every early morning you used to shake your low BP?
Please, I want you to talk to the prince for me, so that he will love me. You know you are his PA now.
See, let me tell you, in everything they do in this world, they have shortcuts. See, let me tell you, even in the Bible, Habakkuk 2:2 said, before you see God, you must come through the PA, which is Jesus. And who am I? I'm the PA to life Jesus in this village, which is the prince. So you have to settle me.
I know. That's why I've called you here.
Let me tell you, you must settle me. You have to give me something to entice me. Because, you know, prince.
I have 500 naira here. When you are going, I'll balance you.
Is it your time of night?
You're not done with work and you want to collect
See,
money.
let me tell you.
This one fair.
See, I like full time. If you want to buy me, you buy me wholesale. Why don't you give me 500 now? I don't understand.
Take this one first now.
I beg, I don't want this one.
You have started the game. Take it, I beg.
See, let me tell you. See, let me just use this one and buy car. Because I'm going to call Prince.
Thank you very much.
So when am I getting the balance?
When you are done with that now.
In the morning it's even sounding like Kanta.
I beg. I'll see you later.
I am condemned. Naruno, Odia. Okay. Odia. Emeka. It's like both of you are you going to fetch water or you're coming back?
We are going to fetch water.
Biauzoma, didn't you see me?
Please. I don't have your time today. Greetings not by force. Let's go. Let's go.
Uzoma, so you don't have respect for me. I don't blame you. Atarangi, because you saw me pushing truck. Are you condemned? Odia? Are you condemned? Hey! Manum! How far now? I was even on my way coming to your place. About the TV now, the content TV is here, and you said you would.
No. Hey, my brother, you are poorer than me. I don't do things with poor people like you. I do things with people like Twinchi on IG, Dankote, Ibeto you, or the Nakoju. Twinchi are the one Instagram.
Why are you insulting me now?
You're a poor man.
I'm a poor man.
Yes, I'm just keeping you for keeping sake.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Are you not selling Abakoro Timbo? Are you now a news seller?
Wait, the prince is in love with Chinagoro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm not Abakoro Timbo Kidele. How do you know?
It's everywhere in the village. All mouths are saying it. Go to Chike's barbing salon. Go and sit down there. Everybody are saying it.
Hey! So you are like this?
My concern is, you know I'm a very good citizen of this village. Because
this guy, if I'm looking at you in our class, let me tell you, you look like unisex. Or the cable homo. You
are insulting. Let me show you what a unisex can do. Hey, Chef, do you know me? She's fine. Do you know me? Yakwano, Aya. Akiko. I will deal with you. Okay. Come close. Prota.
That's right.
Prota, I will show you a lesson. Hey! Take it.
Wow!
Usha!
Adamada.
I will show you. Let me take it out. Come down. You say come. Okay. I will show you.
You're my friend.
See, I'm your friend.
That television. Come and take it.
I'll come and take it.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Please. No, I don't want to. Sing your name, sis. I don't want to take your shit. You know you have body odor. So you are that.
Mama, let her go and come back.
What wrong did I ever do to you that you want to kill me before my age?
Mama, how?
Don't you ever cut me short again when I'm talking to you. We are not mates, Monaga Brobo. So you have told the prince that I'm your mother already?
I can't even explain why you're vibrating. I didn't have a lengthy conversation with the prince. Moreover, I've been asking you since. Did I not ask you the connection you have with the palace? Mama, did I not ask you what you have to do with the royalty? Ipa, you didn't want to tell me. So why are you blaming me now? Why are you blaming me?
Tinagrom, you're playing with fire. From the way you're trading, you are playing with fire. And it will burn your hands. it will burn off your fingers. Makana ase, okore toru he toru, juba ihe buru naya, ife buru naya, boya. That adage says that if a child yet to grow into a full-grown person begins to find out what kills the father, what killed the father, that same thing that killed the father will kill the child. Don't say I did not warn you.
Mama, please, I want to go and cook. Oh?
But be careful, oh. Be careful. A word is enough for the wise.
Bro, sis.
Sis,
Yes, bro.
there is something bothering me.
This is when you came to my room today. Tell me, what is it?
Yes, I want to tell you something. There is something bothering me for some days now.
Bothering you?
Yes, and I want to know if you can help me.
Sure, why not? Anything you want me to help you do, so long as within my power, I'll help you.
Do you know the girl that sells palm wine?
In this village?
Yes.
The girl that sells palm wine. No, you know, I don't go out, so I hardly know people.
Okay. Never mind, sis. Never mind.
Just that. The girl that sells palm wine. Why would my brother want a girl that sells palm wine? Come on, bro. Let this not be what I'm thinking.
Babe, I've been asking for something and you refuse to do it for me. It's not fair.
Remind me, what is it?
Wow, you insulting me. I told you to arrange your brother for me now. You're just acting. This thing you're doing is not fair. It's really real. You know I like him. In fact, I love him. Eh?
Look at what is coming out of your mouth. I should help you arrange my brother. Why not you go and meet him yourself? Go to him, express your feelings. Tell him you love him. How you want to walk on the street with him. Why not do it yourself?
But you know that one is too hard now. I don't even know how to cover. I don't even know how to go and meet him and start telling him, I love you, this one, this one. You're his brother, you're his sister now. You know, you should know how to like convince him, talk to him, you know. Please don't even say that.
I would have loved to, but my brother is so stubborn. He's a very stubborn human.
I know, that's the kind of man I want in my life. Me too, I'm stubborn. I need stubborn man.
It's okay. See what's going to happen. It's not a guarantee.
Okay.
But I'll try my best to talk to him and see how he reacts to it. It's not a guarantee.
Thank you so much.
Don't just get excited yet.
Okay, now I can rest. Let me just take. I can't be getting you.
Can we discuss of something else and leave my brother out of this?
No problem. I'm okay now. Like, I'm very happy. You can go ahead whatever you want to say.
Hey, it's your love.
I'm sorry for what happened previously.
So your sister have the guts to insult me?
No, it's not like that. She doesn't know that we have something in common. How do you mean she knew? She would have respected you.
Oh, if she knew. If she knew, I don't blame her. No, it's because it's me. Emeka Neligo, Emeka Young condemn.
Make not like that. Don't say like that, okay? Don't make it.
Kuzoma.
You make it, oh? Don't worry. Sorry.
Hey, brother. I want to quickly go and buy pepper. The food is on the fire.
Okay, the food is on fire.
Yes, it's on fire.
Okay, please hurry up.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright.
Next the angry.
I'm really angry. Really angry.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Have you eaten? Yes. My sister's already making food. Can't you perceive the aroma?
Oh, don't worry, just finish eating. Next time I'll eat, okay?
Go and help me check the food because my mother might eat. Please check whether the food is hungry.
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble. If you find the trouble, not double. She know the fear, She know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble. If you find the trouble, now wahala. You ready to find her? She go find you. You ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She gave by her right to you.
Chinagorom. Hey, get up. Let's go to the room. Will you sleep here?
Mama, am I sleeping?
You were awake. All the mosquitoes here now, you start complaining of malaria. Please, let's go inside. The room is heated.
If I cry you want, she go give you cry. I'm fire down, next day I owe you. Give her space, she go give you space.
Son, I called you out here because I didn't want to disturb you yesterday. From my forefathers to my father, none has ever been caught marrying to a low life.
Father, why are you saying so?
Because I've seen the way you are playing and behaving around that girl.
Please, can we forget about this?
No, I can't forget it. I don't want you to bring shame to this royal family.
Father, you know I'm not talking about this for once. But the way you are going about it,
I am not going about it anyway.
Father, please forget it. Can't I have a say in this house?
Stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Well, I am alive. I'll be watching. I'll be with you, sir.
The prince is foreign for Chinagolom.
How do you mean?
As the personal assistant to the government house, like prince, I'm enough. See, let me tell you, you better do anything to get the prince. Because I know once you can seduce the prince, me, as the HIV to the prince, no, SSS and PA to the prince, you know I have share. So do anything. And all the okay, Chinagolom now is selling palm wine. You start selling juice.
So are you trying to tell me that you couldn't even handle common single task? Did not do what I asked you to do? Eh? Is that what you are trying to tell me?
That is your problem. That is the advice I'm giving to you. And mind the way you talk to me, have mono to the prince. Start selling juice. Because all the corner like money. And another thing I say, woman, you do your best. freaky, you do your best. Try and improve. I like a picker. Your place is add phone, do anything, do apple. Like you.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll do it myself. I know what to do.
Do you know where they do nyash pumping?
So what are you trying to say now?
It's not that your nyash is small, but
I said I'll do it myself, don't worry. Ordinary small task like this, you cannot run it. It's okay. I'll do it myself.
It's not that I cannot run it. I'm a shifter. I have more loan to the prince.
It's okay.
So you mind the way you talk to me too. Okay?
Who is this girl everybody's against? Who is she? I want to know. I must know.
For your fresh, sweet palm wine. This is your last bus stop. Hope you're not making in our lack of happiness, this is it. This is the only drink that will make your heart to jollificate. And I
want to tell you something. What is it? I think I'm in love with the prince.
What are you talking about? Which prince?
Our prince. I said I love him.
See, I don't know what is wrong with every girl in this community. Why is everyone just falling in love with the prince?
Every girl.
Yes, every girl.
Who is in love with him?
Oh, you don't know? Shina Golo.
Hey! My friend! Hey! Hey, my friend! There you go. How are you now? Thank you, Jare.
How are you?
I am fine. I've come to share good news.
We are friends.
You will not believe. Can you imagine that the prince is in love with me? Hey! I cannot believe it. What is that one? Come off it, Jare. I'm saying the prince is in love with me, Abby. You not happy for me? Hey! I cannot dance alone. So I said I should come and share the news. Can you imagine? Me. What's wrong with both of you now? I'm happy for me, Jare. Happy for you.
Do you believe what that girl was saying?
In every nonsense, there must be sense, so.
I think so.
But what I don't understand is, how will the prince descend so low to that girl?
That's what I'm saying. Now I feel like crying, no. I feel like crying. And you even said, China Gorom, the palm wine seller, is also in love with the prince. Where do I stand to fight for what rightfully belongs to me? This thing is painful.
Prince that have gone to many schools, and I've seen a lot of girls, plenty girls. Is what you want to fight for. Look at you, village girl. You're a beautiful girl in this village. As far as you're in this village, the place will not see your beauty. I will advise you to look for a young man in this village that will love you. Omale Cham, you're a fine girl. Look at me now. I am okay. And I'm happy with my obeam. So, look for your happiness. Forget about Prince. Don't go and put your hand where it cannot reach. Don't hang yourself there. Oh? Please, let me go and see my obeam. See you tomorrow.
Okay now. Bye-bye.
You know me already. My name is ASUMOA, HIV, special advisor to the prince of this village.
I know.
So, See, let me tell you. The prince, you know Prince now, he plays outside. And Prince likes somebody like you. I'm not watching you. Don't take me as a local champion.
No.
I've been to many countries. I've been to Onitsha. I've been to Port Harcourt. But I've been to, let me not lie, I've been to UK, United States of America. Yeah, UK, United States of America once. Then I found out that white people is used to their color. Like Prince now, you know, Prince was born in America. So America, which is UK. So Prince now don't even like that your friend that is fronting herself. Let me even tell you, that boy, that girl, sometimes I mistakenly I do call her that boy. He has muscle. He's chepress, and I don't like her color. It's dating color. I used to tell her, but on what again? She doesn't have red ribs. She's once a smoker. Yes. And what again? Alakolia. She doesn't have breast, and my Prince doesn't. Do you know? Let me tell you, even Dolati, Prince dated Dolati before, so Prince like Allah, like your own Allah is bigger than. Even though that you don't have height in the shorts, but don't bother. Do you know that man at that AK that they deport from Abba that used to wash? He's the one that made this one for me. So that man now will tell him that any shoe that he will make for you now, this height they need to double it like 3. So Kito to no go new Prince. Last you may kiss your bride, Prince. Not a man. Don't bother. But that is where the Lati have a long way for the work on your nash. Where Bane may bomb enlargement. See, let me tell you, all those even all of them that you used to see that used to ask me, I do their enlargement. Just that the time is different. 12 midnight. After everything, I will arrange it to my own system. You have in Wake. So let me tell you, because white people like Prince, like white people, so you are his spec. So that is it. Do you see why I like you? Everything in your body is two. Everything I double. See, you have one. Have you seen it? Yes. Even 2 eyes. Some people used to have 1 eye. I have 2.
No, okay, what do I do?
Okwego. See, I am not greedy. I don't collect money in dollars because sometimes dollar late used to confuse me. Local champion and one just forget what I am. Just name 10K. 10K. Because even in that 10K, I have to drink akamu because enlargement is still there. Okay. Yes, the natural enlargement is still there. All you can happen, I've been doing enlargement. I've been sowing seed in people's life, all these girls' life. So.
Okay. Let me just go now, run around then. I'll print the money for you later in the evening. Okay.
I don't bank with any bank. I don't trust them. Small time they will remove charge.
I'll bring cash.
In my room is my microfinance bank in my room.
No problem. Just open your door down.
I don't even have key. I don't even have key.
Okay.
So
thank you.
You don't need to thank me. I want to thank you. Okay? Just thank you. My door is open.
No problem.
My door is what?
It's open.
I'm a cheerful giver.
Thank you.
Yes. I'm like a Bluetooth. I connect to many Nash bumper. So you don't need to look your Nash. You don't have many. That's my own work. You are paid for it.
What is that? I like that girl.
Which girl?
The palm wine seller. In fact, I love her.
My Prince, are you fine? You love a mad girl, a fighter.
Chima, don't ever in your life call her a mad girl again. I will feed your body to the vultures.
Yes, my Prince. You are very stupid, my Prince. See, let me tell you, your real name is Okonkwo. I'm on Kai's video. See, let me tell you, I will never support your death, Kenwo. Now take what time, you know.
You might realize you are talking to the face of this community.
Yes, I'm talking to AGK Okonkwo.
Mind the words.
I'm working not mind the way because I've had these kids and you're telling me every other. See, let me tell you. You see that guy hit that game and I will never support you, Joe.
Chima, nobody can stop you. Not even you or the whole village can stop you. Let me tell you, I have the right to take my decision. And my decision is final. Let me tell you. And I have the right to hate anybody I want. Even I have the right. So I have the right to hate you. And that's me. Okay, this case here, I'm to you. That's some neighbor place. With your balling.
Who ready to find her? She go find you, come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo. They walk out your own, they go your own. Make sure they go her own, yo. I'm out to the shop, yo. I'm out to the wow. Strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear. Which kind girl be this, yo?
Tell the chief cook I want to take a walk with her.
Okay, my prince. For my prince, where would you like her to meet you?
Here.
If not cry you want, she go give you cry. Avoid her, make she day her own, yo. Oh. Give her space, she go give you space. Aha.
I'm fine, ma'am. The prince asked you to take a walk with him.
No, I didn't hear you very well.
The prince asked you to take a walk with him.
The prince told you to tell me to take a walk with him.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where is he now?
He's outside, ma'am.
Okay, tell him I'll be with him, so.
Alright.
Keep that thing and go away.
Yes. I want to take a walk with you and ask you some questions as a mother in this palace. Yes.
Okay, my friends.
So tell me, when a man is in love with a girl and the girl is difficult, how do the man go about it?
It depends on the kind of girl you're talking about. If it's a girl that went through hardship and later made money by herself, or a girl that was molested when she was a much younger person, maybe taken advantage of. It all depends on what the prince is talking about.
What do you mean by molested?
Maybe a girl that was taken advantage of as she was growing up. Maybe a man abused her. That is what I mean.
So which measure do I take?
If it's a girl that was that made money, maybe she went through hardship and later made money, you can go through her siblings. You can go through her siblings, you know, try to convince her that you really mean well, that you're not a gold digger, something like that. If it is the one that was molested, you go through her friends, because you can. The person can win her trust through her friends by telling her that you mean well. You cannot take advantage, that you are responsible, like that.
I really appreciate. Thank you so much. This is why every family needs a mother.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She is going away. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She's running away.
You have to leave. Have I not told you to stop coming to see me?
Please hear me out.
I do not want to hear you out. I do not want to have a word with you. Just leave. See, my mother will soon be back and she will not be happy to see you in this house.
I'm not going anywhere until you hear me out.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, you can have a seat.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to now?
Are you ready to go? Enter your car in this place. Now! Now!
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you, come.
You again.
Nima. I love that girl. I love her courage. She's fearless. And that's my kind of woman. Yes.
My prince, over my dead body. My prince, I can see that that girl is using juju on you. My prince. Yes.
Why did you hit me?
Yeah, because I want that juju to clear. See, let me
come. Let me tell you something. Come. Don't ever in your life lay your hands on me again. Yes.
You slapped me because of that fool, that fighter.
Let's just leave this. I want you to follow me to her house. I want to talk to her. Please.
Never over my dead.
Kima, you call yourself my friend. Yet you cannot help me and do this small task. I will do it myself. But I will succeed. Sis, I want you to help me talk to that girl I told you about, Bloody.
Which girl? The palm wine seller?
Yes, sis.
Bro, don't tell me you're in love already.
Don't ask me a question. Just help me calm her down. For she to listen to me.
Okay. I'm just going to go meet up with her and tell her that my brother said I should calm you down and listen to him. Is that it?
I understand. I love that girl. Yes. I want you to help me talk to her. She's too stubborn. She can't even listen to me.
Now you're talking. Don't worry. Since you love her, I'm going to help you talk to her, woman to woman. And I know she's going to like you. Who would say no to a prince as cute as you? Oh, bro! You know you can always count on me.
Yes.
Tell me anything you want.
Yes. That's why I call you my backbone.
Don't worry. First thing tomorrow, I'll ask for her address and then I'll go meet her. Talk to her on your behalf.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this.
He's in love.
My pawan has finished now. I was already done with my
Shawarma.
Ogogoro nwa. I've told you to stop calling me shawarma nwa. Stop calling me shawarma nwa. It's because you're my customer.
See, let me tell you, you know we are friends. You know, Prince is my prince. And now Mama, don't you know that Prince loves you? And let me tell you, Prince want to marry you. Please, I want you to give Prince a chance. Give me a chance, come back, give me.
Chima, you're very stupid.
I know now.
See, if I'd known this is the reason you stopped me here, I wouldn't have stopped. If not that you're my good customer, you're very stupid. Oh, in Arusu Prince Pimp.
No,
shut up, Wokem.
I'm just a personal assistant, PA.
You're useless.
Wait. Are you going?
No, I'm taking my bath. Oh, look.
Baby.
Yes, dear.
You can't believe what I heard today.
What is it?
The prince is in love with a local village girl in this village.
Chinagorome, eh? Everybody knows about it.
Ada, my friend.
Which Ada?
The one you know.
A lie. The king, his father will not even allow that to happen. It's not possible, so forget about it. Let's talk about more important things. How are you?
I'm fine, I miss you.
I miss you more.
What are you eating?
I ate before the mama cooked.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're looking more handsome. Every time you're looking handsome.
Thank you. In this village.
So, when will I come to the house?
I don't know. His Papa said he's traveling very soon, so maybe
it's time to enjoy my chichi sweet palm wine. Hey! Oyele go neri ofo were. Oyele ti e gana nkwotachi. Odoko neri ofo were, odoko shole ngagaga. Hey! Oyele gana nkwotachi. Oya uneji e gana neri ofo were. You're welcome. Oh. You're welcome.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, my brother sent me to you. He said he wants you to give him a listening ear.
Cheru. Your brother the prince.
Oh yes.
So you are a stupid girl that insulted my mother. Are you mad? And you have the nerve to come to this place? Because my mother was in the palace, he gave me the effort to insult my mother. Next time. Really? Yes, really? Really? What? Disrespectful. Because my mother works at the palace, that's why you had the guts to insult my mother. Baby, stop, baby,
I'm out to the shop, I'm out to the strong like man, yo. Which kind of yo? She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble, no double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. Now wahala, who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo.
Sis, how did you do?
That's enough. That's enough, bro. You see the kind of insult I received today? I don't want it in my life. That low-class girl had the guts to raise her finger on my face.
You mean
Bro,
she slapped you?
I want to have her punished. I want her punished. I can't take this from anybody. Not even father. Father has not slapped me for the very first time. Talk more a low-class girl. If not for your sake. What I would have done to that girl. I want her punished.
Sis, please calm down. I love that girl. I think something is bothering her. And I will find out. Please calm down.
You are the prince of this kingdom. I am telling you that a commoner slapped your sister and you're telling me you love that girl.
See,
Whoa!
You see, I will.
What has come over you?
I will do something about it. Yes, please. Forgive her for my sake.
Listen, bro. You are the prince of this kingdom. That girl is trouble. She's a mad woman. You don't deserve her. How can a mad woman be the queen of... Bro, please, think about it.
I will talk to her, okay? I will find out everything. Just calm down, okay? Please, for my sake. My beautiful sister.
She slapped me! She slapped your sister.
I will talk to her. Don't worry yourself, okay? Chima, I've tried talking to her, but she's too stubborn. I even sent my sister. She beat my sister up. Can you imagine?
My prince, why do you choose to die for that girl? She doesn't want it.
She's so adorable. She has all the potentials I need in a woman. Do you know that she don't make up? And she's very beautiful. She's a languorous damsel. An epitome of beauty. Paragon of Ifanalo. She's very portable, very significant and pinchomic in nature. Are you not seeing me?
I'm seeing my prince.
Are you not seeing me?
You speak English.
I love her.
See, my prince, I tried talking to her yesterday. She don't want to come close to the palace. She don't want anything royal abroad.
Does she have an uncle?
Yes, now. She a madina.
You take me to him. I need to meet him and talk to her to know if he will help me and talk to her.
Sure. My prince.
Chima. So what is happening now? How is your day going?
Isioma, where are you? Bring the collar now. The royal household is in my house.
No.
I don't want my friends are welcome.
Thank you. I'm here for one bottle.
I was told by my friend here that you are Chinagorom's uncle.
Exactly.
Yes. What am I elected? Ichie, I love her so much. But the problem is, she's too stubborn. She can't even give me a listening ear. So I'm here to know if you can help me talk to her.
My prince, I have heard what you said. I will talk to her. But one thing I must not lie to you. Chinagrom is too stubborn. We know of that, but I will try my best.
Yes, you need to try for me.
Sure, I will.
I appreciate it. No. I can now take cola.
Prince, everybody in this village knows that girl. Even her uncle.
Chima, I don't care. Yes, I don't care.
My prince, don't forget that you made me your personal assistant, PA. That girl has a very good character.
Chima, as I told you before, I don't care.
Now, my prince, there are many good girls in this village. So why do you want to die in this girl matter? What if you know international drink seller like Coke, Fanta, exotic, ever? You just palm wine, local. Prince, look at you. Mama, your nipples.
If not that you're my friend, I would have locked you up. Yes.
Prince.
I don't want to talk about this again. My chi or nobody. Okay?
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet.
I don't want it. Actually, I'm here for a very important issue. Yes.
I have to go inside though.
Bam. I don't want it. Bia.
I thought you said you wanted to discuss something with my mother.
Don't worry. I came here.
You want Pammy? I can supply you 100 kegs of it.
I came here for a serious issue, and it's all about our daughter, the prince. Like your daughter.
Yes, I know. But you know this kind.
Yeah. And not only that, you like her. You want to marry your daughter.
I know the prince wants to marry my daughter, but
there is no but. There is no but. Just consider.
Uncle, see, I'll be very, very truthful with you. There's absolutely nothing to consider here. I don't want to marry the prince. I'm not in love with him. Oh wow.
My daughter, marrying the prince will be a blessing to this family.
Uncle, I know, but you don't just have to be selfish. It's not about the blessing it's going to bring to this family. Think about my happiness too. Think about my safety. I might go to the palace now and they want to treat me like a child of commoner. I won't take it. I'll blast everybody's head there. So I'd rather stay on my own. I do not want to marry royalty. Or they call them
Prince is not the way you think about him.
I'm going to blast someone's hair in that palace.
Let's consider giving the Prince a chance to come into this family at least. To be our honor.
It's okay. I'll try and talk to you.
Talk to her. Talk to her any way you can talk to her for her to understand, to know the importance of we having Prince as our in-law. That's very important, you know. Let me come.
My friends, now go and talk to her.
Are you serious?
Go and talk to her.
I'll go and talk to her. Nine. I want to make her my queen. I bet to take my leave. Hey! So please use this as cooler.
All this for me?
Yes.
Yay!
Alright, Nine.
Answer Hadro. Greet your father, the king. The prince. The royalty I visit here. Hanabado ego. Inye ego ka ndị oyibo. Nepa na ya. Hey. Ego kapa ahụ. Money has filled my pockets.
Baba, the prince is here.
It's here by whatever.
Baba, why are you like this? Can't you talk to him? Can't you talk to him for me? Am I not beautiful? So what is this you saw in Chinagam that you didn't see in me?
Never na bikon.
I don't like you. You should have talked to him to look. Am I not a fine girl too? Am I not a fine girl?
Never know you can't bikon. Ndị marriage na-ekwu okwu na-ekwu okwu.
The shine has gone off you. Emeka has sucked you like an orange. You are not even supposed to be called a
lucky apple.
Crayfish in me.
I can never accept you.
I'm not
jealousy.
I don't need you anymore. Come over here. If you had accepted me, by now you would have been a very...
Who are you? Do you have anything?
I am me.
You do not have anything.
Crayfish in me.
If you talk rubbish, I will beat you. I will beat you if you talk nonsense.
I'm not getting to that. I can help you. If I talk, you talk. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Emeka has left you and you are just there. Look at your color is no longer there. You are a disgrace to womanhood. You don't have Emeka. You don't have anybody. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, look at her. Make a sentence with a failure. You don't have it anymore. The meat has left you. Look at the bone without marrow talking to me. Gas cutter. Look at this useless thing. I wanted to help her and make her have a feel of what a real man is. And she was busy lazying about with Emeka. I don't even know what Emeka gave to her. Idiot. I don't even know how she got the strength she used to fight. She must be a mermaid.
I'm not here for jokes. See, I don't think you are doing your job.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
The prince came to our house yesterday and he did as if he don't know me.
Do you know what I'm doing? Don't you know that Prince is a very stubborn guy? You don't understand me now.
Anyways, I've been going around the village telling my friends that I will be the new queen.
Lolo, let me tell you, that queen, you are the queen of this village. See, let me tell you, the only problem I have is this this girl called Uzodimma. I don't like Madine Tidemajanagale. Let me tell you, Uzodimma is the problem now. Do you know that Uzodimma is fronting herself so that Prince will notice her?
Uzodimma? Yes. I don't. Which of the Uzodimma are you talking about?
Uzodimma, that one that have that normal height, that have breast. You know, I tell you, you should work on your Allah. You know, Nigeria, we don't joke with breast, Allah. Everybody understand, but you work on your Allah. For Ike, you are trying now, you should add your axe. And you know the problem I have now. That Uzodimma is fair. And you know, Prince came back from Obodo Igbo. And over there, they don't joke with white people. So we don't have any option that again we will milk now or you use cream, yeah, bleaching cream, or a dinoco. So you need to be, you know.
Like I told you, I'm not here for jokes. Uzodimma is.
Can you calm down? Let me tell you what
Wait,
I want to
I'll
tell
see you later.
It's not see you later because your brain, you need to go and work on yourself. Starting from your breast, your waist, you will Allah. Our praise don't joke with. I know what to do. I am on your Ikegi. I am add more money.
Is it not the chef you brought in the palace? Telling me that I need to learn how to cook for myself in this palace? Dad!
What do you mean by that? The same woman you're calling a chef is the woman that have been training you since your mommy's demise. You must have to accord her some respect.
I don't understand, Dad. Do you expect me, a princess, royalty, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself when we have palace maid and a chef?
Then why didn't you call the maidens to fix your food for you, instead of waiting for a woman old enough to be your mother to cook before you eat?
Are you trying to say that what I did was wrong?
No, my princess. What I'm trying to say is I will caution her. I will talk to her. Guard!
Finance.
Go and bring the chef here immediately.
Chi special palm wine is here. Chi special fresh palm wine is here. Oya chi gana unkwata chi. Oya newe gana unkwata chi. Odoko ne yofo were odoko shole agaga.
Chi special.
Special. You know say you're my good customer. That's why I like you. Sweet palm wine, sweet palm wine. Sweet palm wine, fresh palm wine. Fresh palm wine, executive palm wine. Fresh.
That one is much. I want small, yeah, small.
Okay.
Small, I just want to have a taste.
This is half cup, oh.
I will pay, don't worry.
Okay. Chichi sweet palm wine.
This is lovely.
Thank you.
Actually, I came to see you. Can we talk in the car?
Okay.
Alright.
Customers, I want to go and talk to the prince. I would have left this my remaining drink here. In my head, let's go no money, just this one.
Alright.
But I don't trust you. People and money and I thought differently. You might just drink it like that. So I have to go with you.
Special.
You have paid me, okay?
I've never seen a prince so down to earth and so humble like our prince.
But how can he be drinking in the public?
In Yagapoku. Who doesn't drink in public? Anybody, everybody can drink in public. I love his personality.
As for me, I can't descend so low to that.
Who will make you a prince in this land?
Shut up.
Go.
I don't know how to talk much. But that day you came to my house, I fell in love with you.
Yes. See, my name is Chinagorom, aka Chichi Sweet Palm Wine.
I know.
You are a good man, no? You've been patronizing my business. It's not like I don't like you, but what I do not like in my life is intimidation. I don't want anyone that will disrespect me or treat me like a piece of trash. Biko.
See, my name is Prince Ejike. I'm not here to deceive you. Please try and understand me.
I'll have to give it a thought because I have my market. I have to go and sell. I thought you wanted me to supply many kegs of palm wine. I didn't know Ije love. So
yes, let me allow you to go back to your business, which I know very soon we will stop.
Okay, I can go now.
Yes, take.
What for?
For the wine I drank.
Your wine is just 15 naira now.
I decided to pay more than 50. I'm paying. Yes.
You want to bribe me to love you?
No, I'm not bribing you. I'm only paying for your product.
If you want to give me from your heart, I will take it. But if it's because of love, hold your money. I don't want tomorrow now you say she has finished eating my money now. She didn't want to agree.
No. I'm not that kind of person. Okay?
May God reward you.
Alright.
Thank you so much, my prince.
What's happening here? Why they smile?
Finally, the eagle has landed. Chinagorom has accepted me.
Eh?
Yes.
Wait. My prince, she didn't beat you up. Obagebe.
Chima, I'm here to tell you that you will be my best man.
Oh, what are you now? Can you back all of mom?
I am going.
My prince.
Everything. You have the effrontery to go and meet the prince, right? After me telling you that I'm in love with the prince. What are you talking about? What are you saying? Are you mad? Oh! Hey! You will beat her! Kia for me! Kia! You beat my sister! You beat my sister! Your sister!
Thank you. Are you condemned? Are you condemned?
What happened?
Is it also the man and sister that beats me up?
Uzodimma, that girl. No, Zugon. Wait, are you laughing at me? disrespect is this, eh? No, I don't blame you. Yes, continue. Natch, laugh. I don't blame you. I blame your parents for not training you. Yes, for not giving you a good training. Oh, no wonder. No, they say no. As no zode magambolibo. Nobody can pass that your way again. No man has come for hand in marriage, and they will never come. No, nobody's laughing at me. Okay, Timbo, I don't blame her.
See, I don't like what just happened there. I don't like what you did there. Why are you laughing at him like that? Why? See, I don't like it.
Is that why you happy? Are you counting him among the living? Is he or she? Please, I beg, forget about him, I beg. Just forget him.
My dear, it's high time you realize that no matter the condition a man is, that man is important. Every man is important in his life. I am telling you, mark this thing. I am telling you.
Was that why you stopped me? See, Pico, if this is what you want to discuss with me, let's continue. Don't try it next time. It's not your business, man. Let's go. Let's go.
My prince, you're a very good man. You're very humble. I admire your humble nature. Very selfless. Man. See, I'll be very truthful with you, my prince. Your type is very rare. Ezoku.
Thank you. But why are you like this? Even to the extent of beating my sister.
That side though. See, forget it. Your sister got on my nerves. See, I'm this type of person. I love peace. If you give me peace, I will give you peace. Do you understand me? She really got on my nerves. That's why I did that to her.
So, who gave you a gun?
Well, if you must know, I inherited it from my late father.
I see. That other day, were you actually going to shoot me?
I know you were very scared. I didn't want to shoot you. I just wanted to scare you away. That's it. Meanwhile, let's forget about the past. Let's talk about now.
Okay.
Tell me, my prince, how are you doing?
I am cool, and you speak fine. How come?
I'm an OND graduate. It's just that I didn't see money to further my education. But I'm still very optimistic. Any moment. I can get money any moment and finish my school. Do you understand?
That's lovely. Alright then. I will take you to my father soon. So we can do everything that is required.
Okay, no problem.
That's my goal. Father, I'm still doing
This is good news. And who is she?
Her name is Shina.
What? Chinagoro? That radical girl? That girl that had the guts to slap me! You will not marry her. Never!
Did I hear you say that someone beat my princess?
Yes, Dad.
Guards! Quiet!
Sorry, Father. It has not gotten to her. She has apologized.
She must be punished.
Punish me instead, Father. After all, I'm the one that sent her to.
I do not care. You're not going to marry her.
You will not marry her. You are my son, and I know you very well.
Father, please, let me introduce her to you first. I'm sure you will like her.
Why would she raise her hand on my princess?
Father, it was a mistake. Please, forgive her for my sake.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
is wrong with you?
I don't know what is happening. My head is aching, my body is paining me and I'm feeling cold.
Have you taken anything? Why not take permission from the king and go home and take good care of yourself?
I will do that.
Please, if anything happens to you, I from the pampa, Biko, I beg. Sorry, yeah? Mele. Sorry.
You will come and meet me this house. This is too much for one person.
Mama. Okay. What did I do here?
You pick up the princess. Eh?
Yes, Mama, I did.
Why?
Because she insulted my mother. I cannot be alive and watch some young girl insult my mother all in the name of royalty. I'm a Nanya Jirego, and I'm bad.
It was me she insulted and not you.
But you're my mother.
Do you know that this is your singular act now? Do you know what has caused in the palace? Everywhere is on fire. All because of you.
They will still calm down.
Mama, you just put me into trouble.
It was not deliberate. I just needed to warn her. I just needed to teach her a lesson so she would understand that the person she's disrespecting is someone's mother. Because I can't insult her mother, I cannot insult her father.
I know what is making you feel this way. I'm being a zagging. What is blocking you is because you think you want to marry the prince. You will not marry the prince. Try me and see.
Mama, the last time I checked, it's me the prince wants to get married. It's my decision to decide the man I'll follow to the altar and say, oh baby, I love you, I do. So it's not your decision. And this will not make me to stop fighting for you. When you open up the synagogue, no
problem. Just let's watch and see how this one plays out. Hey, Whitey. This girl has finished me. Why would this girl do this to me? It was me that insulted and not you. Ah!
Eh? Hey! What's wrong? What nonsense?
Brother, what is it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's not Uzo Dilma or Kogini Kana. Look at you. After selling my store, I tell to rest. This girl for no reason started laughing at me. I was like so disrespectful, laughing at me. She almost called me spit.
What's wrong with that girl?
No, I don't blame her. Oh, because I'm in this village now. I don't condemn. You make I don't condemn.
Okay, calm down. Well, let me tell you something. In any condition you find yourself, give thanks. Be grateful to God. Everything will be fine. I believe everything will be fine.
Everything should be fine.
Just calm down.
God should see me through, Biko. What is it? I'm not happy, Biko.
What happened?
Why did you and your sister beat her down up?
Do you know what she did?
And what did she do?
That girl insulted my sister and even slapped her. That was why I gave her the beating of her life.
Oh, because of your sister insulted somebody and you joined in beating her up. Okay, now let my sister go and beat your sister up.
Wait, oh. She insulted you again? It's a bad girl. That is okay. It's okay. Let's go inside. I prepared something delicious for you.
I don't blame anybody.
Let's go. Don't
blame
worry,
anybody.
everything will be fine.
What did you cook?
I prepared something nice. Come on, let's. Why can't you act matured? Hey, what happened? What did I do? Okay, you're trying to tell me I don't know that you insulted Emeka. So you are shouting at me because of ordinary Emeka. That is it. Right next time, I will insult you. I will insult you. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, just sit there. What is going on here? Mama, see your daughter. Why are you making noise? Mama, it's not good of them, ma. She kept insulting everyone she sees on the road. Mama, caution her. Caution her because next time I will not be driving with her. Hey, you and your other sister. What is going on here? Mama, don't worry. What happened? Ekwemiri insulting me because of ordinary.
Ordinary what? It's love now. Love? What are you talking about? Which love? Mama, don't worry. I should not worry. You mean I should create I should not worry?
I called you both because of what happened today. They are the only daughters I have. I don't want two people to be quarreling because of a man. Eh? You see this thing that happened, let it not repeat itself next time. You cannot go about and be quarreling because of a man. Eh?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I will not do it next time.
And you, Zodemma. You don't go about in this village quarreling or insulting the young men in this village. Yeah? You know one day you'll be under them. Eh?
Okay, Mama. It will not happen again. I promise.
You are telling me better. Yeah? Anyway, you know I love both of you so much. You know you're my daughters, eh? I love you people so much. I don't want people to be quarreling because of a man.
Love it too. Love it too. Even you. I love you, Biko.
Alright, it's okay.
Thank you.
Understand me. And what come? My friend, remove your hand from here. I don't care you guys. Listen to me. Amarachu. You are a very beautiful girl and there is no disputing that. But I am not the right man for you. Yes. You can eventually go and get any man for yourself. There are many good men in this our village. I don't love you. I am concentrating on something more important to me. Please don't disturb me again concerning this issue.
What's this guy feeling like? Eh? When you're not for because I love you.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this?
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. She's running away.
Oh my God. I never knew you were this beautiful.
Thank you, my prince.
Is she not the palm wine seller?
Yes, Father.
No. No way! It will never happen! You can never marry a low life. Not under my watch.
No, Father. Why are you disgracing me in front of my wife to be, Father?
Did I hear you say your wife to be? Are you out of your mind? Nonsense.
Baby, wait. And the ghost had less to say then. Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away. And the ghost blind to say then.
She asked me to open the gate for her. Father!
She's running away. Are the ghosts blind to say this? Are the ghosts heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child.
Father, what was the meaning of what you displayed out there?
Do you want to challenge me?
Father, nobody can stop me from marrying that girl. Not even you or anybody. Father, you don't even know her and you are condemning her. Father, do you know she's a graduate? Or is it because she's selling palm wine? Father, nobody can stop me from marrying her. She's my life. I have no life without her, Father. Just pray I don't lose her. Yes.
I have said mine. This crazy palm wine seller. Graduate.
What? My father called Chinagorom a low life before her.
Hey!
My father asked me, what am I going to do? My father asked me, why please?
I told you. Calm down. I told you before now. I told you. Your father is not a preacher of love. Your father is war. He's in the Boski.
My father asked me, please, Chima, let's go and beg her. Just enter the motor. Let's go and beg her.
What is it? I have told you several times that I do not want to have anything to do with the rich. The rich are so disrespectful. They think the average or the common or even the poor people do not deserve any iota of respect or regard. Was that not what I told you? If you know what is good for you, leave this house right now. I do not want to commit murder. I say shut up and leave.
My love, please forgive my father. Please. I am sorry. Please forgive my father. It's not my fault. Please.
You know what? If I go inside that house and come out again, you'll be a dead man.
She, I love you. Please.
She cannot do anything. I'm here. Let me talk to you. She cannot do anything. I'm here.
She, I love you.
Leave that love.
this just like a film. If someone told me that this will happen, I won't believe it.
Wait, please. So how about this girl over here? See, my friends, just take it easy. Where are you? So you will not do what you later regret. She will recall. When she recall, she will call you back. I will talk to her. That is why I'm here for you, my friends. But let me tell you, talk to your father. It's like it's not a breach of love.
Yes.
But if it...
I will talk to my father. Okay? I will straighten my father.
But I don't even know that this girl can shoot gun. That's impossible.
So mean.
It's ready to die. Take his life. It's going down, going down. He's ready to die. He's ready to die. He's taking his life.
Joe. Yes, my prince. How are you? I'm fine, my prince. I'm sorry for slapping you. No problem, my prince. It's fine. I know you did it out of anger, but I'm fine now. Hope I'm forgiven. Yes, I've forgiven you. Be good. Thank you, my prince. The prince! My prince, my prince!
Made up his mind. It's going down, going down. He's ready to die. This is wickedness. Wickedness, his heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man.
I warned you to stay away from the palace, but you wouldn't listen.
Mama, I'm so sorry. I know you saw everything that happened today, but please forgive me. I'm sorry, Mama.
What is the meaning of life when it's about you?
I want you not to go to the palace. After seeing everything, my BP just rose. Have fever, have headache, every part of my body is paining me.
Mama, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put you through this. Biko. Oh, Biko.
Chinagram, he loves you. He does love you. Don't let anyone destroy your happiness. Just that things turned out the way they did. I want you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mama. You know you did not explain to me the reason I shouldn't go to the palace. But all the same, this will not happen again. Please, you know your BP is already high. Biko, all you need right now is to take shower and eat. I've made food for you. Oh, Biko, I'm so sorry. I won't put you through this again.
So how are you now?
I'm fine now. Slay me, but it's fine.
Destroy you. What you can do to yourself, don't do that to another. Greediness, selfishness, everything you have, it's evil. Don't forget, there's a judgment day. This is wickedness. Wickedness, his heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is is evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Oh, this is wickedness. Wickedness is all this evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Oh, this is wickedness.
Good day, my prince.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine. My prince, please, can I talk to you?
You're free.
My prince, you know, I've been hearing about you and you've been coming to my father's house. My prince, the thing is, ever since I found out about you, I've been dying for a day to tell you how handsome you are.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But my heart belongs to someone else.
My prince, I really like you. In fact, I love you. I love you so much. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart.
I said my heart belongs to someone else. Is that too difficult to understand?
Prince, you can't give me just one chance and I'll prove my love to you. I swear I really, really do love you. I want to show you the kind of love you have never ever experienced before. Please, just give me a chance.
Why can't you get it? I said I'm in love with someone else. Is that so difficult to understand? Get out.
Don't keep... Mama, where are you headed?
I want to go to the palace, Biko. Allow me to go to the palace.
Mama, I can't allow you. You know fully well you're not strong enough to walk. Ichi boom.
My daughter, just allow me.
No, Mama, please.
Everything will go wrong.
Nothing will go wrong. Your health before anything. Please, go inside and rest. Biko, they will understand. You're not too strong. You've been going to work every day.
What do you want this time? What are you doing here?
I'm here to work in place of my mother. My mother is, yes, she's the chef, but she's not feeling fine today.
Hold on.
Who did you say is your mother?
The chef.
What happened to the child?
I lost my child.
It's okay. The gods are wise.
She was a stillbirth.
Gods are wise. I want to see your mother immediately. So you have to go home.
All right, Your Highness.
Father, what is going on here?
I am not going to say anything until I see her mother. You, take me.
don't want to believe that father has another child outside.
Why did you lie to me that she's dead?
What are you talking about?
Do not lie to me.
Your Majesty, how do you expect me to give my child, my own child that has her life laid ahead of her, for you to wife? That's very improper.
Have you forgotten the oath that you took? It's irreversible. Listen, she is my wife, and nothing can change that.
What was the meaning of that? Like, sincerely, I do not understand what Igwe means by she is my wife. I hope the king is not referring to me.
Mama, Igwe was referring to you.
He's hallucinating.
Never was pregnant with you. Your father had an accident with his bike and died. 2 months down the line, I couldn't feed myself. I couldn't even raise money to go for my antenatal checkups. I had no money to run to, and I went to the eBay. Please help me. I don't want to die of hunger.
It's okay. I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
But remember, I am doing this because you're pregnant.
You're in us forever. Thank you. He gave me a job at the palace. I started working in the palace. When I was 8 months in the pregnancy, he now brought in the SMO to bind you and him. So that when you are born, as you grow into a woman, now you now marry him.
Majesty, you join both of you as husband. I see now is beyond me.
What did you see?
The child. Your Majesty, the child will be a being of the kingdom. But I was not sure the kingdom.
That's my kingdom! Thank the gods for getting me out.
decision to take, not yours.
That means I will have to train her here and then get her used to me.
One more thing. But it is a secret.
Explain.
When the child begins to develop breast, they will begin to make love to her. All you need to do, Your Majesty, is to start making love.
Thank you. I will do as you said.
Your Majesty, I beg to leave.
So when you were born, because I didn't want that for you, because the person said it's going to be your choice. So and I lied to him that you died at birth. I said I wasn't going to be living in the palace again. I'll be coming to work from the house so that I'll be able to take care of you.
Never. Mama, I said, the truth is, I can't even comprehend this. I do not understand it because it's quite unbelievable. How on earth am I supposed to get married to that king? Someone who is old enough to be my father. Are we talking child abuse? I do not get it. No. Mama, I am definitely not getting married to the king. Final full stop.
That was what the SMO said. He said it's your choice.
And my choice is definitely not him. I cannot get married to the king. This is unbelievable.
That's why I protected you.
And
this is why they didn't want you to go to the palace. You see, now why they didn't want you to go to the palace from the beginning.
Mama, listen. Put yourself together. Okay, I'm now a full-grown woman. I have the right to decide who I will get married to and who I do not want to get married to. I do not care about how Igwe feels. So relax your nerves. I'm not getting married to him. He's old enough to be my father. That is it. I don't like your mood, Mama. See, put yourself... Okay, let me even ask you. Who am I to you?
You're my daughter. A friend. I got my sacrifice a lot for you. I gave up a whole lot for you. That was why I had to lie. To protect you. I didn't want any harm to come to you.
Mama, it's fine. Thank God I'm old enough to protect myself. Now that your lies are now in the open. I love you so much. Just be strong. Biko, be strong. People won't kidnap me now, Imagine I'll carry you along. Biko, be strong. My name is Chinagolomo. Be strong. Before your name wedding.
You lie, Father. She is my wife.
She is betrothed to me.
This is barbaric.
It is culture. A king has the right to marry as many wives as he wishes.
Listen to yourself. You forced a woman to give you her daughter just because she's handicapped.
If you say one more word, I'll put a curse on you.
I don't care. I don't care if you curse me. The girl you're dragging with me is the same girl you said she's low class.
Do you want to change what the gods have joined together?
I will see to the root of this. Father, are you not ashamed of yourself? Dragging a woman with your son?
Do you understand the implications of a son marrying his father's wife?
Wife you're legally married to and the one you're not legally married to.
Wait. Are you dragging for a wife with your father?
I'm not dragging a wife with you. That girl is my wife and nobody can take her away from me. Not even you or anybody.
Palace on fire, palace on fire, palace on fire, palace on fire.
I told your father all he needed to know. When I was about to join the union, the child spoke to me. She said, there is a queen of the kingdom. When the time comes, she has a decision.
Wise one, what are you trying to say?
Go for your queen, for both of you are destined to live together.
Thank you, wise one. I appreciate it.
Once again, start preparing for the marriage. And when the time comes, let me know. I have a secret for your father.
Thank you, wise one. I appreciate it. Shia, I'm sorry for what we have passed through because of my father. Yes, I know my family is not worthy to come close to your family, but I'm here to make amends.
Between king and prince, woman palava between king and prince.
I've heard, but I still have my choice to make.
Yes, that's what Ezemo said, and I'm here to ask you to marry me.
I do not want to have anything to do with you or your father.
She, look into my heart and know if you're taking the right decision.
Done, but still, my answer remains the same. I don't want you. I do not want your father.
Wait, she, please. I have no life without you. Yes, you are all I think of. Please don't leave me, please. Accept me.
My answer is still no.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away.
I heard everything that happened.
How could father decide to marry a girl out of her wish? Instead of him to revoke his word, he's still standing on it.
What are you going to do about it?
I've tried talking to her.
And what did she say?
She said she's not interested in any of us. And I don't need to force her. As Ezemo said, she has her choice to make.
I think you should go and meet the chief priest. Only him can help you beg her.
You have a point there. I think I will go immediately. But if I don't marry her, this house will not contain me and father.
Palace on fire,
that's okay. He's still our father.
Palace on fire, palace on fire. Wah 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 between king and prince. Woman palava between king and prince. Wah 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 between prince and.
Wise one, please help me talk to her. She may listen to me.
I will talk to her. But she has a lot to know about herself.
Wise one, please help my friend. He's going crazy. Alana was home.
Everything that is happening for a purpose.
See, my prince, you have to make peace with your father.
Never. I can't do that. We have more than 1 million maidens in this community. He can choose any other person and not my woman.
My prince, it's high time you come close to your father. Pamper him, pet him. Show him love. Don't forget, you are next to the throne.
Chima.
Even though you are going to get married to that girl, no problem, fine. It's your choice. I can't deny you for your happiness. But find a way, you know what your daddy likes. So let's be matured here, please.
Since I know you, today is the only day you reason with your brain and not your hands. I appreciate it. Chima.
Hey.
My daughter, the prince is the chosen one for you. Accept him and live with him. Have you ever thought of the reason you dream of him? Have you?
No.
Before you were born, you told me you love the prince.
Did I say such?
Oh yes. That is the reason I am here to tell you what you told me. I urge you not to fail what you told me.
Palace on fire, Palace on fire, Palace on fire.
Mama, don't worry, I'll be back. Mama, don't worry yourself. You know you're not feeling too well. Just relax. Mama, relax. Don't worry. I'm not an landlord. I'm not a thief. One of them are joke.
Don't show that she's not a skill. Zurugori. Is she learning from you?
Oh, get out. You came order from king. Which king? Careful. I'm coming there now.
Now tell me why you cannot be my wife. Or do you want me to cut you with a knife?
My king, I'd rather die than get married to you. I do not love you. I do not have any iota of feeling for you. Your son is the person I love. Yes, and come to think of it, my king, you're old enough to be my father. Yes, I can't be your wife. We are not talking child
Then
abuse.
get ready to deal with my wrath. Guards! Lock her up immediately.
He's ready to die. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child. She is going away. She's going away. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this?
What have I done to deserve this kind of treatment in this kingdom? I'm not it. I'm not an armed robber. What is all this?
prince. Wah 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 between king and prince.
Let me go!
Wahala between king and prince. Palace on fire.
Let me go!
Palace on fire. Palace on fire. Wah wah wah.
Your Majesty, the gods are angry with you.
The gods can't be angry with me because they are the ones that joined us together.
There are lots of maidens in this community. Why don't you use your power to marry any other? Why are you choosing the same girl that has been destined for your sons? You do not want the happiness of your son, do you?
You said power.
Yes.
That's the power I'm using to collect what rightfully belongs to me.
One more thing. Chinagorom is a goddess of this earth. Do not allow her tears to touch this earth. It does. When the calamity will come, Your Majesty, I cannot come and be of help to you.
What did you say?
I am on my way.
Go and tell my son that I have imprisoned his girlfriend.
As my king wishes. My prince, long live. Your father locked up Chinagoram.
I didn't hear you well.
Your father, the king, locked up Chinagoram.
What?
This is my woman. Why burn down this entire building? Father, you are not saying anything.
It's okay. I will do as you said. Guards!
Yes.
Go and bring her out.
The king wishes.
Wake up. Wake up! The king wants to see you.
Both of you are sacked. I don't want to see any of you close to this palace.
What is going on here? Kneel down, both of you.
Father, what are you trying to do?
I'm sorry. I was not trying to run away. I was not trying to run away.
I give you my blessings. And from today onwards, I bound any child abuse marriage in this community.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
I understand I destined this young child here to be the queen of this kingdom. But the word of the king can never go void. I never knew all this time I was preparing her for my son. Son, I sincerely apologize for all that I have put you through. I am really sorry.
Brother, you have to forgive Father. He's sincerely sorry for all he's done to you and your lady. Please forgive him.
I have forgiven you, Father.
Your Highness, I have something to say. I'm so sorry. If I've disrespected you in any way, please forgive me. My princess, I'm sorry for slapping you the other day. I'm sorry.
My prince.
Obi.
From the first day I set my eyes on you, I've always loved you.
Obi, I love you more. Father, please bless our home.
Okay. Sure. I'll bless your home with love.
Ise!
With understanding.
Ise!
And with lots and lots of wealth.
Ise!
Well, son, just fix a date and I will inform the rest of my neighboring kings.
Alright, Father. I will update you.
You have been deceiving me. Love is not my fault. You have been deceiving me. Love is not my fault. You have been collecting money from me. You know me. You are deceiving me. You are deceiving me. You must do what you want. Break his mouth. Please, come here, mom. Come here, mom. What is it you do? Break his mouth. You hold it.
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo. They walk out your own, they go your own. Make sure they go her own, yo. Come out to the shop, yo. Come out to the wow. Strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear. Which kind girl be this, yo? Which kind girl be this, yo? If not die, you wonder she go give you die. If not cry, you want she go give you cry. Avoid her, make she day her own, yo. Oh. Give her space, she go give you space. Aha.